Hi guys, today I've got an easy bow hairstyle in under 2 minutes. To start, divide the hair from ear to ear straight across. Then we're simply going to divide this into 3 equal sections. Now we're going to drop that middle section down and then bring those 2 outside sections together and join them with an elastic band. Add another elastic band about 4 inches down from the first one, and we're going to make a hole between the 2 of them. Pop a couple of fingers through from the top, grab the ends of the ponytail and bring it through to create a twist. Now we're going to section off a small piece of hair from the bottom and keep it in your hand. With your opposite hand we're going to pop a couple of fingers behind that top elastic band, and then we're going to use our other hand to push that twisted section up to your fingers, grab hold of it, and then with that bit we sectioned off, pass it to your fingers at the top and pull it all the way through. Combine this with the ponytail with another elastic band, and then we're going to fan out the section on the right hand side, holding it to the head with your finger, and then slip a bobby pin to replace your finger. Repeat on the left hand side, so fan it out and then slip a bobby pin right through the edge. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.